Hello and welcome to my channel, A Wonderful Sheep. Here I like to vlog a little of my life in Seoul, Korea, as well as share my adventures with arts, crafts, and stationery. Today we are walking from Yangjae Station to the Caran Showroom and Cafe here in Seoul. It is a showroom of all the Caran supplies that you can actually try out as you enjoy a cup of coffee and a dessert. So they have all of the pastels and colored pencils and oil pastels and watercolors and what have you. Everything your heart could desire, you can try out with the paper they have at the tables. It's a really awesome place and it's a good way to try out some of these more expensive supplies before you make the investment. I'm actually here for a one-day workshop with Annelies, who is an illustrator, and her work is just lovely and cozy, is how I would describe it. She does illustrations of positive and cozy things, and you should definitely check out her Instagram. Here she's demonstrating how to use these oil pastels in a layering and scraping away technique. And I'm trying to follow along. These supplies are definitely worth the money. I understand now why people spend that kind of money on nice supplies. These oil pastels were so rich and so creamy and went on so smooth. I know you can't do this kind of layering technique with cheaper oil pastels. So it's a couple of days later and now I am walking with some of my friends because today we're going to draw my friend's dog. His name is Foucalt, like the philosopher Michel Foucault, and he is the most gentle, most loving dog. This is one of my favorite Korean dishes. It's called 곤드레 밥, which is rice with thistle, and you mix it with soy sauce. I tried to share what I learned at the workshop with my friends, like the scraping technique and the layering technique.
어디 갔어? 이렇게 빠르냐? 발이 4개라 그런가? 빠른데 뭐야?
It was fun to draw with my friends because our personalities and our backgrounds and our styles all came out. This friend, for example, is an animator, so her drawings of Foucault came out like very fun and cute characters. We told her she should turn them into emoji stickers.
잠깐만, 이게 아닌데? 침착해! 앉아!
And after drawing Foucault for a bit, we turned to drawing each other autumn-themed illustrations. I'm drawing persimmons, which are one of the things I think of when I think of fall in Korea. 까렌다쉬 협찬입니다. Thank you for watching today's video. I have some more stationery videos lined up, so please subscribe for more arts, crafts, stationery, and daily life in Seoul, Korea. Bye!
턴.